All right, now after this, we're going to have a slideshow because Mark has shown you what the studio was turned into from the concrete bunker that it had been before. Above that, you could see the skylights. He pointed out the skylights. Above that is a roof terrace. And now you're going to get to see how the roof terrace got torn apart and then put back together because it was a disaster. So we hope you enjoyed that. And the next time you come back, it might be a little different topic. We might be doing something a bit recreational. And then we'll come back to one of these about household renovations and things.
G'day, how you going? I just thought Deborah's about ready to give you a slideshow about the terrace, and I thought I'd give you a little bit more information about it for the people that may be interested. The reason we call it a bunker is it's all concrete. It's got a concrete floor, concrete walls, and a concrete roof slash floor. So this is the first job I did when we got the house, were able to get in the house and were legally able to do work on it, is I put a roof over this roof to help it dry out and to keep the weather out of it, to give it an opportunity to dry out because its integrity was gone. It was leaking into the house. You'll probably see in the photos it's green on the floor underneath this one. There's a drain over there, gone, just gone. So by putting the roof on, it gave it an opportunity to dry out and then gave me time to move into the house and start working in there so that we could get over here and live. We couldn't work and live in the house at the same time. The level of work that was done, the deconstruction that had to be done was just very messy, very dusty. So yeah, that all got done. Now the terrace is done. It's a wonderful space. on a sunny winter's day, when that happens, that doesn't happen too often, it's lovely out here. It's nice and warm, nice and sunny. You get your vitamin D when you need it. So enjoy the show. Now to get ready to go and do some bike packing this weekend. There might be vision of that, there might not. Okay, thank you. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Cheers.